Yeah, so this is Black Forest. Because there's a lot more trees here, it's a lot more clear. So notice how the visibility is miles better. There's no like foggy, cloudy stuff, right? Yeah. It is a good place to do intro into trees.
Cool.
But because of the conditions today, it's probably a terrible idea. Because even just going in that little bit of powder there sucks.
Yeah, you'd fall into something.
Yeah. So what we'll do is there's a green run called Millie's Mile, which we'll try first. Right. And if we're happy with that, we'll come back on this chair and we'll pick one of the blues to do. By which time it'll be a little bit later, so they'll be a bit more tracked out. So then there'll be more less powder on it today, and then we can just follow the way. Okay. The blues here are generally quite easy. Nice. There's a couple of steep sections, but they're very short. Okay. But generally they're pretty okay. So other than that, everyone having a good time? Yeah.
Yeah. Can we get a group shot from that?
Get a group shot. Yeah. It's just gonna record all of us, and then I can make photos and things from it.
Yeah, for sure. Just have them get us as a group. That's great.
Yeah. Go. There you go, you got it, you made it. Hopefully mine makes it as well. Yeah, let's go! So you want to bend down low and jump off both feet together. You don't have to be going very fast. A little bit of speed, remember, need a bit more momentum today compared to yesterday. So it's easier starting on your heel edge. That's okay. Oh, she made it round, let's go! Just send it really fast down here. Come in. There she is. Hands on those hips. There's a little jump down here. Oh, down here. Yeah. Some drop in nice and straight. Keep it straight. Yeah. You missed it. It's okay. Little trail here. Try and keep those hands in our pockets before. Yeah, there you go. They're just coming back a little bit again. You're getting too excited, your hands start moving all over the place. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Yeah. Little humps, yeah.
Maybe a wider one.
We can always jump across the hill. So. Okay, we can go to the next colour and then we stop, okay? So straight ahead. So we're going to be turning to the right, and we're going to bomb it pretty much once we get halfway down this hill to get around the corner. So board nice and straight so we can get enough speed. That's it. Go, 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 go. Turn into it. Keep it nice and straight. Sweet. Nice. You're skiing together, you're in the same shot for once, that's good. Keep you in the same shot, probably.
fun to be had over here is like in the trees, which is kind of like
Straight down.
Yeah! Oh, that was a good one! Pan. Big one down here on the left.
Down there, and I'll
So you're going to hold that in your right hand, you just hold it in front of you if you're aiming where you want to go, and then just ride.
Might do.
Yeah?
So where are we going? Just straight?
So we're going straight the same way as last time, but we're going to follow signs for Herbert's Hollow.
Okay.
Okay?
right there.
Herbert's Hollow. So it's straight the same way, so same way as Billy, same way as the one we just did. And when it starts splitting off left and right, we're following signs for Herbert's Hollow. There is a banana behind you.
A what?
A banana.
Oh.
It's dressed as a banana.
Good old days.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, other than that, go wherever you want to go. I'll be behind you.
Want it back?
No, carry on.
Yay! That was fun. I think it is a better for me, Kieran.
Good tool, right?
You want the tool back?
You can have it for like half the run and then if you want to hold it, you can.
Okay. So we're going left or down?
Herbert's Hollow. So
This
a bit of
way.
mountain orientation as well. We look for signs, see which way they go. That's the way we're going to go.
Alright.
Keep it nice and straight in front of you. So
I'll
it's
keep the
almost like
camera
an
straight.
extension of your board.
Ah.
There's one you can use as a learning tool until you get better.
So this way.
Follow to the right.
Alright, I'm down with the stick. That was fun.
You want to see if you can hold it? I'll take a pole. You take one of these.
I'm kind of nervous.
That's fine. Oh, careful. Pizza, pizza, pizza. It's up to you. You can just hold it. It doesn't really matter. If it's going to affect your skiing, then... Or if you want, I can take both poles. If you want to ski without poles.
I can try.
Yeah. There you go. And it doesn't matter where you hold it. Just anywhere in front of you is good.
And should I grab it where? Like
Grab at the end there, yeah. But anywhere is good.
like this too?
Yeah, that's absolutely perfect.
Okay.
If you want to stop, just flag me down. I'll stay behind you anyway.
Okay.
We're keeping our weight forward.
Look at this guy. I think you're level 3 now, Kieran. If you can do that.
Yeah. There you go. Poles.
Yeah.
Sweet. Good job.
Thank you.
That's really funny.
Yeah, I thought it'd be
I
funny.
think that shot alone was so good.
Oh my God.
Skiing with poles. Or snowboarding with poles.
I feel like the burn.
So literally we're going to go straight down here. We're almost back at the lift.
Yeah.
Lift back up, and then we ride home.
Awesome. I did
Okay.
another jump. It was fun.
Nice.
So fun. It's like I'm getting the hang of it.
Well, it's good to see that you're both smiling, both enjoying it, right?
Yeah.
I think having the lesson yesterday gives you something to work on, and you feel like, okay, actually I can do this.
Yeah.
Rather than, oh my God, there's people everywhere, I don't like it. Ah.
That was day one.
So yeah, this is
Cool.
good.
Thanks, Karen.
Nice picture view here.
Yeah.
Mountains.
Let's do it. Want a photo, honey? Your
If you two want to get together, give me a phone. I can make it look nice.
Come down a bit.